Welcome back everyone, and this time I'm going to show you how you can use the dark mode on your iPad. So there are more ways how you can enable it. For example, you might be, I don't know, browsing your files or whatever else, and you want to change the white background behind the icons to a dark one. And if you want to quickly do it, you can always swipe down from the top right corner of the display like this to access the control center. And there you should see the brightness controller, right? So you know, the controller to raise and lower the brightness. And when you hold down on it, you can see more buttons appear below, and one of them is the dark mode. So you can enable dark mode like this, and the background behind your icons inside of this app is now dark. Also the widgets, the wallpaper, and essentially whatever you open up is now going to be like in this darker tone because it applies to the whole iPad. So that's naturally one way to do it, but you can as well, instead of going through the control center, you can go to the settings app of your iPad, and in the left panel, when you click on a display and a brightness, you can also switch between the light and a dark mode in here. So that's how you're gonna do it inside of the settings, but that's not all, because there are also these scheduling options. You can see that right below the light and a dark mode, we have the automatic selection, right? So when you enable the auto click on the automatic one, you can turn it on and then decide when the dark mode is supposed to turn on by itself. So a lot of people, myself included, have the sunset to sunrise option selected, meaning that when the sun goes down, the iPad is going to turn dark, you know, to replicate the dark environment of the night, and then in the morning with the sunrise, it's going to return back to the light mode. So I like to have it this way. But if you want to automate it more specifically, you can click on the button or option below and choose specifically when it's supposed to turn on for the light mode and when the dark mode is going to take place. So that's much more useful if you want to be more specific with it. But let me know in the comments below if you managed to set up your iPad the way that you wanted. Hit the thumbs up if everything worked as you expected. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the next uploads.